Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: how to report someone on Roblox using your PC, especially with the latest updates. It's important to keep our gaming community safe, so let's get started. First, open Roblox on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface. From here, look over to the left side menu. You'll notice a few icons, but what you want to click on is the More icon. This will expand your options and give you access to additional features. Next, select Friends from the drop-down menu. This section will show you all of your current friends on Roblox. Now take a moment to find the friend you need to report. Once you spot them, go ahead and click on their name to bring up their profile. Now that you're on their profile, look for the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the screen. This is your reporting tool. Click on those 3 dots, and you'll see the option to report. Go ahead and click that. Once you select Report, a new window will appear. This is where you'll explain the situation. You'll need to follow the on-screen steps, detailing the purpose of your report. Be as specific as possible about the issue you've encountered, whether it's inappropriate behavior, harassment, or anything else against Roblox's rules. Clear explanations help ensure the right action is taken. After you've filled in all the necessary information, submit your report. Roblox takes these matters seriously, and your report will be reviewed by their moderation team. And that's it. Reporting someone on Roblox is a straightforward process, but it plays a vital role in maintaining a safe and enjoyable gaming environment for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on Roblox and beyond. Stay safe and happy gaming.